the finals in Tobago is a great opportunity for them because Tobago gets an opportunity to see, even though the finals are live on social media and these other mediums, they get to see it, but being in person in a space to see your child or your family member on the stage is good. It's good for Tobago, and I think it's something we could consider for the other years to come. How about letting Trinidad come to Tobago for finals? How about that? Because over the years and from ever since West Village started, Tobago goes down. Tobago goes down, right? So I think we could switch it up. It's a great opportunity for Tobago to see the talents that we have here. I mean, Tobago went to Trinidad. All the groups going to Trinidad for Best Village. They are strong, not just YouthQuake. All the other groups, they are strong competitors in the competition. Yeah, so it's a great opportunity for the finals to be in Tobago.